So what is a chatbot and why should you have one? You know, that's a great question. It's a question I get asked all the time. Essentially, a chatbot is nothing more than a fancy word for a software that can help you automate lots of messages. So imagine you have a Facebook page or a Skype account or a Slack account, and you're getting a whole bunch of messages, and a lot of those messages could be repetitive messages that, you know, you get asked what's your prices all the time, or where are you located, or what are your office hours, where a chatbot can really step in and help you automate the responses to a lot of these questions. It can also help you do lots of other automations and do a whole bunch of automations, all right? So chatbots are nothing more than a piece of software that really help you organize and respond to messages, and more importantly, they really help you organize and segment your subscribers. So I'm sure a lot of you guys understand email marketing, and probably all through your past you've used email marketing and you've focused on growing an email list and sending out broadcast messages or sequences to your email list. Well, a chatbot is no different. You can get chatbot subscribers, kind of like you get email subscribers, and then you can, at any time, you can go in and you can send them out a broadcast message. So you can just, you know, have 100,000 chatbot subscribers if you get 100,000 people on your email, and you can just send them all out a message. So why should you have one? Well, those things seem pretty obvious to me, but if they don't seem obvious for you, we'll just go over a couple of the reasons why you should have one. One, because chatbots really, they can help you service multiple people at the same time. Imagine you got an email list and you send out 100,000 emails, and you got 10,000 people who all respond back to your email. Well, you've got no way to answer them all at once. You're going to be spending your next 5 or 10 days just replying back to those emails. Well, chatbots really change up that game. You've got a chatbot list of 100,000 chatbot subscribers. You send them all out of broadcast, and you get 10,000 messages back on your chatbot, where your chatbot can actually read those messages and figure out, hey, do I understand this message? If I understand this message, do I have a pre-programmed response to respond back out to this message? And it can literally service multiple people at the same time, which is going to save you a lot of time. So outside of a broadcast message, let's say you have, like we talked about in the last video, you have a bunch of generic questions like FAQs, or just generic questions that you've realized through the course of your business that users ask you over and over and over again. Well, now instead of having a physical person like yourself or one of your employees actually go in and have to service those people and answer these same questions, you know, 10 or 20 times a day, you can just program your chatbot to give out the answers for you. So it's going to save you time, and typically whenever you save time, you're going to make more money, because the people who are typically answering those same repetitive questions over and over again, now they have a lot of free time where they can service other clients, or they can do other money-making activities. All right. Also, you guys all probably understand the importance of having an email list, and a chatbot's no different. So just like you want to have an email list so that you can, you know, market out to those people and you can communicate with those people in your chatbot, you can also get a subscriber list in your chatbot, and you'll be able to contact those people anytime that you want and send out your message to them. Also, chatbots are typically more engaging, and you typically get more opens on your chatbot messages than you get in your email messages. All right, so they are kind of like the new wave, the millennial wave of marketing, and they're something that are becoming really, really trendy. So there's lots of other reasons why you should have a chatbot, and we'll get into more in depth. You'll begin to actually understand what a chatbot is as we get in and actually start building them, and you'll be able to actually now start to piece together a lot of different reasons on why you particularly should have a chatbot for your business as we move a little bit farther in the training.